So I'm trying to run the project. What we did yesterday, we will give it some glimpse and then we move forward. So as of now, we all see the data we are displaying in JSON format. Am I right or wrong? Whatever the data we built it in the project yesterday, we are sending through JSON format. Now what I want to do is I want to send this as a HTML format in a presentable manner. To do that, the step one is to display data in an HTML. Okay, for that we are using razor view concept. What concept we are using? Razor view concept. Do you all agree with this? Please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Guys, please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Vishal, Akshay, Varsha. Okay. Now, here, first step is step one, create view folder. What we need to do? Create view folder in the application solution. Where is your application solution in this project? Can anyone tell me? Which one will be your application project? Which one will be your application project? Come on. Which is your application project?
eStore admin module.
eStore admin module. In this eStore admin module, just simply go add new folder, name it as views. Okay. And then what you need to do, what is your controller name here? What is your controller name? What is your
Brand controller.
name?
Brand controller.
So what you need to do, under the views folder, you create a one more folder saying that brand. And then here you need to create a razor view. Click on view. You see there is a razor empty. Are you seeing a razor empty or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just select add. And say always your action method name will be same as view name. Have you got my point? Please make sure step 2. Please make sure your action method name should be equivalent to your razor view name. So what is your action method name in the project? What is your action method name? Index. Am I right? We are seeing index only, right? You see here.
Public action index.
Yes. Public action method, action result, index. The same thing you are going to create. Now what you are going to do, you remove everything and you have to use HTML. Under which you need to have a tag, where the head tag is brand name. So brand details. I'll put name of it as brand details, and then I'm closing my head tag. And then what is your next thing? Body tag. See, it is giving a code, but I don't want to do that. I have to do everything manually. So I simply say body tag. Control K A. I forgot the alignment shortcut. Control Alt A.
Control KD.
Control KD. Okay. The body, you say H1 tag brand details. Okay. Now you prepared HTML, Cesar. Did you prepare HTML or not? Akshay, Ashok, Satish.
HTML is old technology. Nowadays, people like to work on Angular, React, etc.
That is fine, but for admin module, nobody will not interested to go for spending much of time in Angular, so that they are doing this. Okay, admin modules and all will be go here. Only when you expose your website outside the world, that time you are going for Angular. Clear my point? But in interview, there is also a question, so that I am developing this also. It's part of my curriculum. Okay, Ashok.
Okay.
So once you've done this, now what I'm going to do, when I try to run, it will not work, you see. Still, it is not working. What is the reason? Anyone can tell me? I build a view. Listen, I build a view. I build a controller, but I'm not associating my action method with this view. So what I need to do here is return.
Return view.
Yes. Return view. Now try to run it, it will work. What is the exception they are saying? Can anyone read this exception? No service of type ASP.NET MVC Core View feature has been registered. Or you got my point. So if you go into program.cs file, we registered only add controller. We are not registered a view. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
View is also a part of class. We are already registered only controller, but we are not registered a view. So what you need to do here, you
Static
go,
files.
you simply change this, add view controllers with the views. Understand my point? So whatever the controller you are having, it is going to collect the view class as well, and it will try to create a instance for that particular controller class. Now, if you see this, you got the brand detail, which I prepared in HTML.
Yes, sir, we got it.
Got it or not?
Yes, sir, we got it.
Okay. So what we are doing here, how many steps we are doing? We prepared a action method with the view name. Step 3, in action method level, in action method level, we are returning a view as a return type. Is it correct? Are we returning a view, right?
Yes, sir. We are returning the view. Yes,
We are
yes.
returning a view. So that I'm using a view as return type. Step 4, register controller with view. Controllers with view in the builder method. Builder object. It is not a method. Correct? If you do all these 4 steps, you will make VC, which is nothing but controller and view. So, sir, I got a view, but I want to bind this data into my view. How do I do that? What I need to do, I need to pass view brand model and pass it here. That's all. This we will call it as a view model object. What object? What object we are passing?
Brand model.
View model. View containing a model. View containing a model. That is why we are calling as view model. Clear my point? So this model you are going to receive in your HTML CSS. To get that, what you need to do here, @model. No, before going to do that, you have to register your namespace using catalog model and model brand model. Got it? So is the brand model is a list of data or a single data? List of records or single record?
List of records.
List of records. So can I use a list here? Like this?
Yes, sir.
So this model will automatically hold this object from the view. Whenever user passing this value will be holded by this model. Now come here. I simply say HR, which I'm putting an horizontal line. And here I'm going to have a table. Okay. Here I'm going to have a table head. And then I'm having a TR. And then I'm having a TD, where I'm going to say brand ID. Okay. And I'm going to have one more TD, where I'm going to have brand name. Now, after this TD, I'm going to prepare table body, T body. Okay, I have a TR. Okay, here within TR, I have a TD and I have one more TD. So, we are going to display a number of data or a single data mark? How many number of data we are going to display? We are going to display the list of model data. Am I right? So what we are going to do here in the TD, I say at for each. I'm preparing a C# code here. Okay, where data in model property. Or you got my point? And then I'm preparing the TR within here, within the for loop. In the for loop, I say at data dot ID at data dot name. That's all I'm doing. I simply did is I registered my namespace. I taken the list which I am going to get it from the action method, and then I'm bringing here, I'm preparing my head and I'm preparing my body. In the body, I want to reiterate this tag a number of times so that I'm using where data in model, and then I'm preparing. Now you see here, just go and build the project. Try to run the project. You got a data with the model? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Data is binded in the database from the U or not?
Binded.
Binded. Now, sir, will this data as looks good or bad? Very ugly, because we need to implement
Formula.
CSS
Format.
format. So to do the format, I'm planning to up. What is the step 4? Step 5, include namespace in the razor view using razor syntax. Correct? What is razor syntax? Razor syntax is nothing but combination of your C# code and HTML. You got my point. The razor is nothing but razor code is combination of HTML and C# code. That's why we are calling as razor, which has been provided by Microsoft. Clear my point. So you are not going to write any view logic in the controller. Are we writing any view logic in the controller here? Are we writing any view logic in the controller here? Varsha,
No, sir.
Gunasekar, Taviti Gunasekar. Are we writing any view logic here? Gunasekar, I'm unable to hear you.
Hello?
Yeah. Am I audible, Guna?
Yes, you are audible.
So tell me, are we writing any logic in this action method of HTML?
So there is no view logic. So we are just binding the data.
We are just passing the data, not binding the data.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, your statement is wrong. Whatever the data we are preparing, that prepared data we are passing to the view. Am I right?
Yes.
And then in the index.cs HTML, we are receiving the data with the help of model. Okay?
Yes.
Receiving data with the help of model from the controller and show it in view. Correct?
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
And then once you receive the data from the model, this model attribute will help you to, you see, model attribute, you see what name it is specifying. Automatically binded or not? Say sir.
Yes.
It's automatically binded. Okay. When you specify model variable, that variable will get automatically binded. And then with that binded data, you are going to display. So that is called view model. Okay. So step 6, retrieve view model data. We should name it as view model data and display it in HTML with the respective format of user need. Understand? This point is correct? Come on, guys. Anybody sleeping?
Yes, sir.
Everybody sleeping or
No.
Sunday morning? Wake up at very early, late? Fine. Once you've done this, now go back to your project. Now I want to apply Bootstrap on top of this project. How I'm going to do this? So here, implement Bootstrap in the project. Step 1. 1 minute. Suresh, class lo unna Suresh. నేను పిలుస్తా అరగంటలో ఇంట్లో ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ చెప్తాను. So here, download all bootstrap files from the client script library and store in www root folder. This is what we have to do. First, what we need to do is create a www root folder in the project. We have to create a www root folder in the project. Let's go back. In the project, right click, add new folder, www root. When you create a www root, you see a global is coming or not. It is not a folder. It is the place where you need to hold all your static files. This is the placeholder we need to maintain all static files. Understand, ma?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understand? Please say yes or no. If you are not understand, no problem. I'll reiterate. Come on. I'm not getting an answer.
Yes, sir.
Can you come with your questions again?
Do you all understand what is that? Hey, who is scratching my window, man? Man, if you are not interested, you can leave. I'm not worried about it. If you're doing this kind of nonsense, I don't want you to be in the class. I am serious with my classes. If you are not serious, please leave. Yeah, tell me, Ashok, what's your question?
You were asking some questions, right? Can you come again about the
My
static
question-
files?
See, or what is the purpose of static file?
It serves the clients like
Serves the clients with respect to image, with respect to CSS, with respect
right.
to files, downloads. Am I right or wrong? So to entire project of ASP.NET Core, we need to maintain static files in root folder. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the purpose I'm using www root. Now add, you see client-side library. Are you seeing a client-side library here?
Yes.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do, right click, add client-side library. Here, I'm going to type bootstrap. You see there is a bootstrap. When you
Yes.
click on it, all the files will get automatically downloaded in that folder. Now you see, click on install. Just give some time, it will get downloaded. What happened? I now properly installed. Yeah, it is good. It is running. Now you see, you got the files automatically. Say yes or no. Did I did anything, ma?
No.
Did I did anything? You see here. Under www root, there is a bootstrap folder is created automatically with the help of client script command. Or you got my point? And then in the HTML, save this, go back to HTML, under head, not here, I have to use link href this is how we need to add. In that, don't need everything. I remove everything here. And I also remove these things. And I also remove this as well. But here I don't need bootstrap, www root. By default, it will take. Okay, keep this. Now your bootstrap is added. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
This is how you need to link. Now copy this, come back. Here you say class equal to h1. Okay, now try to run the project. Still, it is not applying a bootstrap. Am I right? Is it applying a bootstrap? Will it apply the bootstrap?
You need to register in the program.cs file.
Yes. Before that, I want to, few people are new, right? Let me show one thing. Now you go and see, okay, in the network, okay, refresh. You see bootstrap.css is 404. Everybody.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You see, bootstrap is not able to download. The reason behind is you need to add the static files in your middleware pipeline. I got my point. You need to serve the static files. For that, you need to register the static files in the middleware pipeline. For that, what you need to do, program.cs file, before map routing, use routing and map, here, register use static file middleware. Understand? And then app.use static files. One second. Chapra. ఇంట్లో ఎప్పుడు నేను వస్తాలే నేను మాట్లాడతా ఫోన్ లైన్లో క్లాస్. Okay. If I use this, what will happen? Can you read the command which we are having here? Files are served from the path specified in the web root, which we will call it as a www root subfolder. Will you able to see this, everyone?
Yes.
Yes or, say yes or no, please.
Yes, sir.
Or you got my point? Now, try to build the project and try to run the project. Now you see the brand details having a certain change earlier compared to earlier. You got a change or not?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
right click, inspect, go to network, refresh. You see you got the bootstrap file downloaded in the browser with the 200 OK.
Yes, sir.
File got downloaded or not?
Downloaded.
Okay. Is it very easy to implement Vue with the bootstrap or tough to implement Vue with the bootstrap?
Bootstrap is good.
Nothing you need to do. Just go here, right click, add, go to your client sites library, try to add here bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap. Okay, and then all the files will be comes here. When you click install, automatically get installed with your folder. Once you've done that, the next step what you need to do is you need to create a static file in your middleware chain so that these files will automatically get downloaded in your browser. Clear my point? Otherwise, if you are not using the static files middleware, it will not allow you to download anywhere. Clear my point? So this is tightly coupled. This one and this one are tightly coupled. If you are not implement either of this, your static files from the root cannot be downloaded. Make sure you have to use both. That is my idea. I want to explain this to you guys. Clear my point? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go back to your HTML, CSS. Let's implement your table. Now here, say table. I say dark. No, I don't want to dark. I say primary. Just now it came. See, all the classes for the table is coming here in the bootstrap. You see, B is nothing but a bootstrap. So what you need to do, you simply go and take your bootstraps. That's it. Just click primary. No need to do anything. Run it. Wait, what happened? Okay, sorry. So it's not only table, you have to put one more simple table. You got the table? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one question. Why this is coming this much of edged? Why it can't be center aligned? Can we make it a central aligned so that everybody can easily understand, right? So what you need to do here, put a div, okay, and say class, long back I did that. Oh. Container, yeah. So you make it as container. And then cut this, put it here within a div. Okay. Now save all, run a project. See, it comes under container or not? How do I prove that is? Inspect element. Just go and click this. You see there is a container. You understand, right? Container?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this area, okay, this area will not go away. This is the empty space is automatically created if you use container. Clear my point? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Or you got my point? Sir, by seeing this application, you feel something good. You developed a very good view for the end user. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sir, I want to have a hover effect on top of these tables. How do I do that? Can anyone tell me? Here, class table hyphen hover effect. No need to do anything. Whenever any row you want to hover, automatically hover effect will come. You see. You don't need to do anything here. If you understand how to apply Bootstrap, I have a session in my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and go through it. CSS and F stuff. Wait. Over is not working. Okay, I'll put here table hyphen over. I'm not putting here. Where is that? I'm removing this class. Okay, and then run it. See, effect is there or not? Everybody, are you able to make sense? Sensing it?
Yes.
Power is there or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to check it into different formats. Instead of primary, can I have secondary? How the effect is? Let's see. Let's play with few bit of CSS. We have another 12 minutes. Because today we completed. Tomorrow we are going for IOC and dependency injection. See, the effect is changed or not? And let's put danger. We are making a table as danger table. Let's run this. You got it? Danger? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Danger always in red color. Right? Gunashekar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And let me have, instead of danger, do something new. What is that? Let's put dark. It will be in black color. Somebody gone. Who is gone? Satish, I believe. You see? Black color. So like that, you can play whatever the way. And if you look into the text, is this automatically taken care by Bootstrap? The format of the text. Are we given any font family in this Bootstrap?
No, sir.
It is default.
By default, it is taken care, right? That is the beauty of Bootstrap. So whenever somebody is implementing a project in MVC core, they used to implement like this. Or you got my point? So as per the day today, what we did is we passed the data through model object, view model object. We received the data in a view model, okay, with the help of the controller containing action method, and we binded the data here with a for each loop, and then we try to implement a bootstrap on top of it by using www-root. When you're using www-root in the program.cs file, we are registering the static middleware. Once you've done that, what you are planning to do in the index.html, we are linking that bootstrap CSS. Finally, we started implementing everything. This is the crux of today. As a very overview, is it easy to develop or it is tough to develop? No? Vishal,
Easy, sir.
Akshay, Ashok, Gnanasekar.
This
Gunasekar
is
and
easy.
Gunasekar
That's
and
easy.
Gnanasekar.
Yeah,
Easy,
it's
right?
Gunashekar.
Varsha? See, tomorrow, what we are planning to do is we are creating object of the service in the action method, right? We are going to implement dependency injection. Tomorrow topic is the most important topic and it is one of the entry question for most of the people. We will try to implement that. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Till that time, signing off. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.